Let's do a smoked pork belly on our Green Mountain Girls ledge to create the ultimate Eggs Benedict. Starting off with my pork belly slab, the night before I'm gonna season it well with my favorite pork rub. We have our smoker set to 250. We're gonna smoke our pork belly until it hits an internal temp of about 175 and has some good color to it. Once we're at that point, you're gonna create a tinfoil boat using aluminum foil and let this smoke for the remainder of our cook. I add a little bit of chicken stock and apple juice and let it smoke until it's probe tender, which is about an internal temp of 202. Let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes before slicing, and look how incredibly juicy and tender this turns out. It's so good. Next up is the rest of our Benedict. For poached eggs in medium heat and a tablespoon of vinegar in my water, I'm gonna simmer my eggs for about 5 to 6 minutes. Hollandaise sauce, I like doing homemade. I use Julia Child's recipe, but you could also do package if you wanna save yourself some time. Now to assemble our Benedict with our juicy pork belly. I like starting off with a base of toasted English muffin. You could also use a biscuit if you'd prefer that. Top it with our pork belly, add the poached egg, and then finish it with that beautiful Hollandaise sauce. This recipe is amazing for a special weekend such as Mother's Day or someone's birthday. It's a crowd pleaser, and don't forget to top it with a little bit of chives because you need a little greenery with this dish. Enjoy!